Hi there. For today's video, we are going to be reviewing author's purpose. We've been going over this all week, so today will be just a quick little review and then a little bit of journal work. So what's the author's purpose? Remember, every time you pick up a book, there's a purpose behind that book. Okay? Remember, it's as easy as pie. Why do we say pie? Because the letters P-I-E help us remember author's purpose. P stands for persuade, I stands for inform, and E stands for entertain. Go ahead and say this with me. Persuade. Good job. Persuade, to convince the reader of a certain point of view. So when we think of persuade, we think, okay, the author's trying to get me to do or try or buy something, right? Inform. Go ahead and say that. Good job. To teach or give information to the reader. So usually with an informational book like elephants, you're learning something about what you're reading, okay? So the author's giving you new information, giving you facts, hoping you are learning, hoping he or she is teaching you something, okay? And then entertain. Go ahead and say that. Entertain. Good job. To hold the attention of the reader through enjoyment. So what that means is the author wrote the book hoping that you'll enjoy it. Maybe you think it's funny, maybe you're just laughing, all that good stuff, okay? So persuade, inform, and entertain. So we are going to now get our journal out and do a little bit of journal work. So go ahead and get your journal out. All right, go ahead and write today's date, but write it small. 4-16-21. Okay? And in a minute, I'll give you some time if you need to catch up. But what you're going to do is you're going to split up your page to 3. Okay? I'm going to write the word persuade. Inform. And then entertain. I'll give you some time to go ahead and catch up. If you need to, you can also pause the video. Alright, a few more times, just pause the video, but I'm going to begin. So you should have your page split up like this: persuade, inform, and entertain. What I would like to do is draw a little example that would help me remember persuade. Persuade is when the author is trying to get you to do, try, or buy something. So my example that I want to do right now is this. I'm going to draw a flyer. And you can either copy me afterwards or you can make up your own. But I thought of McDonald's, so big M. So this flyer is saying, come eat at McDonald's. Okay, it's kind of small and kind of a little bit, I had to kind of mush it together, but come eat at McDonald's. So persuade. What are they trying to get us to do? Come eat at McDonald's. All right. So then my example for inform is to, it's going to be this, it's going to be a book. And my book, the title for my book is going to be All About Earth. Okay, and then okay, so this is my All About Earth book, and in this book, what's going to happen? I'm going to be learning all about Earth, because Inform, the author writes so you can learn more about whatever topic they chose. So in this book, it would be all about Earth, facts about the Earth. And then my last one, Entertain, is going to be, okay, it's going to be a book. So this right here is a book. This right here is an ad. And this one right here is also going to be a book. Okay, so book. This one's going to be about, my title's going to be Funny Aliens. Just something silly, okay? So, persuade. What I would like for you to do is I would like for you to either draw the McDonald's sign, or maybe draw an advertisement saying, hey, come buy my toy. Then for Inform, draw a little book, maybe saying the ocean or dinosaurs. Okay, something where you're going to be learning about a topic. And then for Entertain, draw a little book with something funny, something that the reader will enjoy. Okay, so that's what I wanted to do for this little interactive video. I wanted us to review Author's Purpose, and then for you to do something in your journal. I hope you did like today's little video.